Hi folks, so time has finally come to learn something practically, right? So till now we've been learning a lot theoretically about machine learning. Now is the time to understand machine learning in a practical manner. So for this, it's very important to get a good understanding of Anaconda. Now you might ask, what is Anaconda? So Anaconda is an open source distribution of Python and R programming languages for data science that aims to simplify the package management and deployment. The package versions in Anaconda are managed by the package management system, and that package management system is called Conda, right? Which analyzes the current environment before executing an installation to avoid disrupting other frameworks and packages. And remember, the Anaconda distribution comes with over 250 packages automatically installed. So guys, the thing is, if you have to work in the field of data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, then I would say you should have definitely got good understanding of what is Anaconda and how it works. So it's pretty simple. All you need to do is just go to anaconda.com, right? And here, if you go to free download, you'll get the details, right? Because I am on a Mac system, it is automatically picking me to download the Mac installation of it. But there are other installers available as well for Windows or Apple and others as well, right? So even with Mac, there are two flavors, which is Mac on Intel or Mac on M1, M2, M3 processors, right? And very important, Anaconda is open source. It's an open source project, right? It is user friendly and it's trusted by several companies. And as I said, behind the scenes or under the hood, it uses Conda. Conda is an open source package which is used for running all your code that you are writing, right? And we will also take a look into the Anaconda Navigator. So Anaconda Navigator is nothing but a GUI tool on which you can easily manage, integrate applications, packages, and environments. And you don't need command line when you're using Anaconda Navigator, right? And it does say that it's powered by the most recommended and trusted open source packages. So like these are quite important open source packages for data exploration and transformation. We have pandas, intake, numpy, and some of this we'd be utilizing in our examples as well. And for data visualization, you'll see that there is matplotlib, then there's seaborn, plotly, and for AI machine learning, there are TensorFlow, Keras, and all that. Same with NLP, GUI, and R packages. Right, and as I said, it's all available under different say installers. Either you want it on Windows, Mac, Linux, right? So let's say you have downloaded, just click on it, download on your say Mac or your Windows machine, and once you have done, all you need to do is just simply go to Anaconda and open the Anaconda Navigator, right? So this is how the Anaconda Navigator looks like. Now that's the beauty of it, right? This is all pre-built into it. And what we need to do is what we have studied, right? In the previous lecture, we studied the Jupyter notebooks. So we'd be launching our Jupyter notebook. So we'll be creating our own Jupyter notebook, right? So when you see this, then it opens up and all you just need to do is simply do a new and say Python kernel, and now your kernel is open for you. So this is a cell, right? As I talked about the Jupyter notebook, this is a Jupyter notebook cell. Okay, so the beauty of Jupyter notebook is, as we studied in the previous lecture, that you can type your command and you can even run your command over there. So just a very simple command I'll run for you guys. I'll just say probably welcome to machine learning. Right, simple command. We're just doing we do echo hello or something like that. We're just simply saying welcome to machine learning. So the good thing is that this is a cell I executed within the cell itself. So as soon as I wrote my Python code, I can just simply run this and it can give you the output as well. This is very simple, but when we look at other libraries for Python, you can actually create a lot of data visualization as well. So you can even create graphs here within this same interface, right? Or again, a very simple program, I take a equal to 1, b equal to 2, and I say print the sum is comma a plus b, and if I execute it, it executes, right? So I just want to give you a quick description of it, that how you can run your Python code in a Jupyter Notebook, because in the previous lecture you studied Jupyter Notebook. In this you understood the concept of Anaconda. So from Anaconda you can launch your Jupyter Notebook, and then once you have your Jupyter Notebook, then you can just write your code, you can execute your code as well. So in the next video we will try and work on the real data set, which would be the iris data set. Thanks for watching.